All right, down here from Super Blast, I am at Pasco County Fire Rescue number 26. I'm going to be cleaning this place up today. Sidewalks need it. Everything needs to be cleaned. Got mold growing everywhere. Mold along the edge. Just dirty in the windows. Around the AC equipment. Just needs a really good wash down. So we're gonna get her done. And they got a little, they all got their little patios where they cook, grill out and stuff. Just needs a good wash. Good rinse down. It's all just grimy and dirty. Got mold all the way up there at the top. There's mold everywhere. We got to come down the side. We'll do this shed. Hit that. Got to get the outside. All that's going to be downstreamed. Put on the ice machine. Then we're going to do the floor in here. As you can see, we got bolts, fans everywhere in Tampa Bay. I am in Wesley Chapel right now. If you ever never been inside a fire department, now you can say you have. We cleaned the floor off. And these guys are going through their maintenance, just like Super Blast goes through theirs. Then we have this fence here. This is what they really want clean because it's an eyesore when you drive by. We got the mailbox and the back of that sign. And we'll hit this fence over here. It's not bad on this side. The truck doesn't need to be clean. And we have all this mold. It's got to come off. Well, you know what I always say. Get after it. Alright, down here, that only took about 10-15 minutes. It's beautiful. I love it. Got this whole place almost done. It's got one more side left. Let's have a look. All the mold's gone way up there and down here. There was a lot of mold in all these windows. They're gone. We'll have a look on the way back. All this is spotless. Come on around. All that was all moldy before. Clean the rugs. Look at that. Nice clean porch. Okay, the doors are done on this side. Along with way up there, had all that green mold up there. Basketball goal's clean. The shed's clean. The ice station is all clean. Okay, all I have left to do on the building is this back here. We'll hit that up there, and we'll hit along here. We'll be all done. This job is fast. It's the equipment. I'm powered by Ameritech pressure washing. These guys put a rig together. You can just go to work and knock stuff out so fast. And the fence, look at the fence. Fence is nice and white. The mailbox was green and moldy. That sign over there was. Now the fire department has curb appeal. It looks really good. Look at that. I'll be more than happy to put my name on this. Look at all that. You know what it is? Super Blast Pressure Washing in Pasco County. Working together. I love it. All right, now it's time to get the cement done and get that other side done. Let's get after it. Okay, now it's all SH'd. This floor's got a coating on it, so we're going to take the 31-inch Mondo and we're going to whip that baby right through here like it's a hurricane. And we're almost done, folks. We just got that one side of the building due on the outside when I was reviewing, and then we'll be done. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and it's just that easy. Get after it. Hey, 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 Don here, Super Blast Pressure Washing, getting her done, baby. Look at them sidewalks. This job is completely finished. And some white, look at that. Pasco County Fire Rescue number 26, baby. Cleanest fire department in the state of Florida as of right this minute. Look at that. Cement's all nice, beautiful. Got the side down. This is the last side we had to get done. Look how nice and white that is. Woohoo! Beautiful. I love it. And inside. Go Bolts! Look at these guys, man. They got the green egg going on. Got to feed our heroes, man. Guys saving lives every day. Hey, Mr. Dan Brown, thank you so much for the work, brother. I appreciate it. Came out really nice. Look at this porch. Sparkling clean. Nice. Came out nice. Did you expect anything less? Anyway, it looks good. Just got a couple of small little areas I want to hit with some straight SH before I leave. And the main concern, Dan, was that white fence. It was really bad when I got here. So let's go out and have a look at that while the tank is draining out a little bit so I can back out of this grass. Got a nice spot to park right there. Look at that fence. Yeah, when I drove by here this morning, it was pretty damn bad. Now it's popping. I did 2 sections that way, property line. So when you come flying around the corner, it looks pretty damn spiffy. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing, and that's a wrap for today. And you know what I always say, right? I always say it. I say it all the time. It's just what I say. And sometimes I say other things like, don't touch my shit. But most of the time, get after it. Hey, 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 Don here. Got back from the fire department over there in Pasco County, fire department number 26. That was a great job. And the rig worked marvelous. Thank you guys over there at Ameritech. Hey, I was talking to some guy yesterday, and he wanted to see the filters going into the water tank So my water lines are right here. So these are the filters before the water goes out of the buffer tank through these filters that were clogged. I mean, don't get me wrong, I didn't clean the filters for a whole year. I just didn't really realize that I really had to do that. I mean, yeah, you got to clean them, but I never really bothered with it, obviously. But anyway, this is the rig if you haven't seen it. This is a 1/2 inch line here. And the reason why I have 1/2 inch is because when I run that surface cleaner over there, the 49-inch Mondo, I run both of these IGX 800 Hondas together. And what happens is we go ahead and run them through these valves. You just turn the valves down, then you got a jumper, have a line that hooks to both of these into one line. So when you run the 49-inch Mondo, you get 16 gallons a minute. So that's a lot of cleaning power. And we're going to demonstrate that tomorrow at the East Pasco Government Center. This is the carrying case for the 31-inch Mondo. Got 2 nice ladders up there on the top. We got LED lights for working in the dark. There's another one over there. There's 2 of them here. And they telescope up in the air. Here's a switch for them. They come right on. This is 150 feet of water line. That's 100 foot, which I use that 99% of the time. This is my 3/8 pressure hose. These are the loaders. Loader A is for over there, driver's side, and this is loader B. I put these plugs on here so the water doesn't drip in the garage all night. These are 2 brand new loaders. They're number 7s. Everything's electric reels. This is the soft wash reel. This is the extra tote for filling up the bug sprayer for straight SH. This is a toolbox. It's upside down. This is an under bed. Meritech went ahead and put one of these hydraulics in there. And they also fabricated a compartment for the guns. This is where I soak my injector. Always keep your injector in water or spray WD-40 inside. Okay, here's the 49-inch Mondo, and it's got a carrying case all of its own, and it does lock. Okay, and this is the handle for the 49-inch Mondo. It locks right in the side here. It's even got a little rubber doohickey. 5,200 pound axles to carry this weight. The trailer, if you fill everything up to the brim, it's 4,600 pounds. So I'm running at 150 pounds of water. I'm probably running at 4,000 pounds. But I have a lot of SH on board. This tank over there, the far one, that's a 7% batch mix that I'm going to use tomorrow on that big building. But anyway, this rig is all anyone needs. Then of course you got to have all your fittings, you know, have extra fittings and extra gang valves and extra tips, you know, just everything you need to run a pressure washing business, you know. Inside I have extra hoses, extra mini Mondo surface cleaner. We got the old top dog that we're going to be putting on Carrabba's out back the kitchen there where the grease is heavy. That's supposed to wipe it out. Just your basic supplies in here. I got extra caps the other day online. You know, you're always losing a cap here and there. The day gets in the way and then you forget. But anyway, there you have it. And we got an 18-gallon gas tank and all 3 machines run off of it. This is the valve system for making your mix batches for the Zeta. This is a 40p Zeta. You can run 2 guys off of this. I'm a solo washer. I've never ran another guy working, so that will probably never get hooked up. But I'm going to be using this tomorrow as well. It's going to spray up there about 3 stories, 3.5 stories. And we're going to be able to get to that tough black mold. All right, I am Don. And I don't know what else to tell everybody. Here's another passion of mine. Here's my 400 Ninja. And yes, here's my 400 Z400. And here's my Versus 650 for travel. All right. I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Get after it.